Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a product that's essential yet often overlooked: the Simplehuman Code R trash bags. If you're tired of flimsy bags that tear or don't fit right, you're in the right place. Let's explore why these might just be the best option out there.
Simplehuman is known for their commitment to quality, and these Code R trash bags are no exception. Designed specifically to fit their cans perfectly, they're made from extra durable plastic with thick double seams. This means you can pack them to the brim without any worries about leaks or tears, something I've personally tested.
Let's break down some key features. First, these liners are custom fit, which means they stay neatly hidden and don't slip when the lid is closed. Plus, the drawstring handles make them easy to lift, tie, and carry. No more struggling with unruly bags.
For those environmentally conscious, these bags are made with 50% post-consumer recycled plastic.
It's a small step towards sustainability without compromising on quality. I've found them incredibly sturdy, over 2x thicker than typical trash bag sand. They consistently get high marks for ease of use.
Installing them is a breeze, thanks to the quick dispense pack that lets you grab one liner at a time, no fuss. Now, compared to other options, like generic bags or even other brands claiming to be compatible, Simplehuman's attention to detail really stands out.
The fit is snug, the durability unmatched, and the ease of use unparalleled.
Let me show you firsthand how these bags perform. Here's how they fit perfectly into the Simplehuman can, and how easy it is to tie them up securely. To wrap it up, if you're looking for trash bags that deliver on durability, convenience, and a perfect fit, Simplehuman's Code R bags are a solid choice. They're a bit pricier than generic options, but the peace of mind and hassle-free use make them worth every penny. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful. Subscribe for more product insights, and leave a comment below about your experience with Simplehuman or any questions you might have.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.